Let me ask you something uncomfortable. How many sales meetings have you walked out of thinking, that went great, and then never heard from them again? Yeah, exactly. Today we're talking about why most MSP sales calls don't fail because of the pitch. They fail because the groundwork was never done. Here's the mistake. MSPs think getting the appointment equals progress. It doesn't. It just means you've earned the right to not mess it up. Sales success happens way before the meeting starts. And if these next 5 things aren't in place, your chances drop fast. The first prerequisite, the prospect has to actually have a problem and not a, yeah, things are fine problem, a this is costing us time, money, or sleep problem. If the pain isn't real, you're not selling, you're educating. And education does not close deals. Second, the people in the room need to care and not like nod politely, not multitask, but care. If IT issues aren't impacting productivity, revenue, or risk, you're background noise. Your job is to connect their technical issues to business consequences that they actually feel. No urgency equals no action, every time. Third, price resistance usually isn't about price. It's about value not being clear. If they understand the cost of not fixing the problem, your pricing suddenly sounds reasonable. If they don't, even free feels expensive. Clarity beats discounts, always. Fourth is urgency. You can be right and still be too early. If there's no reason for them to act now, the deal drifts, and drifting deals quietly die. Your job is to uncover what makes now the moment. Budget cycles, compliance deadlines, growth plans, something has to move the clock forward. Fifth, and this one hurts, you must be talking to someone who can say yes, a decision maker. If they can't approve budget, change vendors, or make final calls, you're not in a sales meeting. You're in a relay race, and you do not control the baton. Sales success requires access, period. So if you want better sales results, stop making sure that you're more convincing and start making sure these 5 things are in place before you pitch anything. A recognized need, a viable solution, the value must justify the cost, a sense of urgency, and present to those with the authority to buy. Do that and your close rates improve without you changing your personality or turning into a salesperson that you don't want to be. This is exactly how sales is taught inside CharTec, built by operators who actively run a multi-million-dollar MSP, not theorists. If you want sales systems that actually work in the real world, click the link in the description and schedule a success call with us and discover all that CharTec has to offer your MSP. Stop guessing, start closing smarter.